Today's video is about interesting job opportunities in the field of AI. In this video, I'm going to discuss about two AI related jobs where the first job role is for Hindi writers, and here you will be training AI for Hindi writing. Is you need to be a native Hindi speaker for this job role. And okay, here you're not required to have any kind of experience. If you're a fresher or a college student, you can apply for this job. The pay range that the company has mentioned here is around $30 to $150 per hour. However, the pay range will vary depending on your geographic location and the and the skills and abilities that you have, or the qualification that you have. This is a freelance kind of positions. So here you will be working remotely from home. The next job is for AI trainer for Humour. And if you have some interest in writing related humor related content, this job could be a good fit for you. And here you're not required to have any kind of previous experience. So a bachelor's degree or a higher in comedy writing or a related field will work. Your English writing skills should be good. And here the pay range here is around $15 to $150 per hour. And depending on your geographic location, your skills, abilities, and the qualification. So let's discuss about the jobs in detail. Here, the company's name is Labelbox, and Labelbox is hiring for a liner. It is hiring for various remote job positions, and here uh, it is written that earn money by sharing your expertise. Join the fastest growing network of PhDs and professionals who get paid up to $150 per hour to train. You will be training AI models. So for the companies like Google, Ideogram, Square, Speak, Ancestry, 11 Labs, etc. And here the company is hiring for PhDs, researchers, and experts across a wide range of domains and languages. If you are an expert in any subject, be it engineering, business, mathematics, law, science, medicine, languages, or any, you can check out the role. You could be a you can find a good role for you. And here the company has mentioned about the benefits to become an aligner. So here this is a work from home opportunity, and you can work at your own hours because this is a flexible opportunity. You will be training AI models and influence AI development and challenge your own skills with different tasks. So the tasks are going to be like a rating and ranking kind of tasks where you will be rating and ranking assignments required you to assess multiple AI generated options. So here you will be getting multiple AI generated options where you need to rate and rank the assignments or rank the text or the data that the AI has already generated. And depending on your experience and expertise, you can do that. And so that you can ensure the content reaches a high quality standard for review. Provide a rationale for your choices based on a specific criteria or factors. So you have to rank and rate the assignments or the text. Also you have to provide rationale for your choices, that why and how you arrive uh, that particular rating or ranking. And the next rule is for open rewrite. It is like open rewrite assignments are like empower you to directly shape the future of AI. You will be like you need to craft or create new responses for leading LLMs or like large language models and AI models, expanding their capabilities by training them and by training them on new subject areas and aligning their needs and aligning their outputs with specific style and format preferences. Here basically you will be rewriting the assignment so that you can train AI model. This is for multimodal. So multimodal assignments involve analyzing and interpreting diverse data types such as text, images, audio, and video. So you will be like reviewing and interpreting a video clip to help train the system to better understand visual content, converting those insights into written context or written text. So their tasks may also include analyzing user uploaded multimedia files. So here you will be basically analyzing, and you will be watching the video clips and analyzing that clip and interpreting the data. And also there are users there are users that used to upload the multimedia files, so you have to check that file and you have to interpret the data, and accordingly you can train the AI model. So the first job role that we are going to discuss here is for AI trainer for Hindi writers or speakers, freelance. This is a freelance remote opportunity. This is an innovative role as an AI tutor, native Hindi offers. So this is a native role as an AI tutor. So here you will be working as an AI tutor, and you need to be native Hindi speaker, and this is a unique opportunity to leverage your subject matter expertise and develop your AI skills. So here you will be playing a very important role in training AI models, ensuring the accuracy and relevance of content in Hindi generated by AI. So basically here you will be training AI model for Hindi content, and this position allows and this is a flexible position. Here you can schedule your working hours, and so here you need to be a native Hindi speaker with exceptional spelling and grammar and a strong sense of writing style. And you need to have interest in AI and machine learning concepts. You need to have a critical eye and the ability to clearly explain the strengths and weaknesses of a given piece of text written in Hindi. So here basically, as we already discussed, that here you will be provided with the text and with the piece of text, and you need to rate and rank that text, and you need to understand clearly that why and how that particular text is better or not better. So you have to check that, and accordingly you can train the AI model. And here roles and responsibilities, you will be training AI models through the formulation and responses to field specific questions. And here you will be utilizing your expertise in your domain to verify the accuracy and appropriateness of AI generated text. You need to create your own working hours, and depending on project length, you will be assessing and prioritizing AI. You will be assessing and prioritizing AI generated responses based on quality and relevance. Now, if we talk about the pay range, so here the company has mentioned the pay range as $30 to $150 per hour. However, the pay range will vary depending on the candidate's geographic location, the experience, expertise, skills, etc. So if you are interested, you can apply from here. The next job role is for AI trainer for humor. So if you have some interest in humor related humor related content, or humor related text, you could be a great fit for this position. This is also a freelance remote position, and this is here you will be working as an AI trainer humor, and you will use your expertise in comedy and humor to help train AI to understand and generate jokes, wit, and humor that resonate with human audiences. So here you will be utilizing your skills related to like creating jokes or related to any like humor related content. And this position offers flexible working hours, so here you can create your own work schedule, and you will be directly influencing how AI interprets humor in diverse contexts. If we talk about the qualification, the company has not mentioned any particular qualification. The company has not mentioned about any kind of a specific experience. So if you're a fresher, or you have any if you have a fresher, or or you are already uh, or you already have some experience in the field of comedy, or creating comedy related content, you could be a good fit for this position. And here you so if for the qualification, the company has mentioned if you have enrolled in or have completed your bachelor's degree or higher in comedy writing or a related field, you could be a good fit for this position. And here native level proficiency in humor and comedy is required. So here basically, no matter from which geographic location you belong, but the most important thing is that you should be able to you should be able to create comedy or like a humor content, as well as you can assess that kind of content. And you should have a critical eye and ability to clearly articulate the strengths and weaknesses of written talk context or written text, because here you will be getting the piece of text. uh, you will be getting the piece of text and you will be checking them, you will be ranking and rating those texts depending on your uh, depending on your expertise. And you should have strong written skills with excellent English language spelling and grammar skills. If you have some professional experience as a comedian, writer, editor, or a related field, you could be a good fit for this position. You should have interest in AI and machine learning concepts as well. Now, if we talk about the pay range, here the company has mentioned the pay range to be $15 to $150 per hour. However, the pay range will vary depending on your geographic location, interest area, and expertise. Now, if you are interested, you can apply from here. So go ahead and check out all the details and apply for the job. If the job